In this iScaf tutorial, we will show you how to use the BullZip PDF utility with iScaf. We recommend you install the BullZip utility when you install iScaf because it allows you to convert complex multi-page PDF files into a simple BullZip PDF or TIFF file for your floor plan. Anything that you can print can be converted to a simple file. From professional plans to Google Maps screen captures, hand sketches, or even photographs. So here is a multi-page PDF which contains floor plans and elevation for a project. In this demonstration, we will export the floor plan on page 4. So we will click Print and make sure the destination or the device is the BullZip PDF printer. Select Custom Pages, enter the page we want to print, which is page 4. Then click Print and wait for the BullZip dialog to pop up. There it is. So in the first tab, we can select the format and we will choose the TIFF file format for this example. We can also specify the location and the file name for our export image. And then we can go to the Image tab to change the settings for the device and encoder. We will select TIFF G4. We recommend a TIFF resolution of 600 by 600 or higher. But in this example, we want a clearer resolution, so we will choose 1200 by 1200. Then click Save. And now we have the exported TIFF file of the floor plan. We can also find the TIFF file in the location that we specified before. In the second part of this tutorial, we will show you how to export a plan to a single-page PDF. We can use the BullZip utility to create a more compatible PDF to import into iScaf. First, we click the Print button, select the BullZip PDF printer, set our printing page to the page we want. In this example, it is page 4 again for the floor plan. Click Print, and this will start the process of generating the PDF with the BullZip utility. We haven't changed the file location, so it will be saved in the same location as our previous file. But you can confirm or change this in the settings before clicking on Save. As the name suggests, the BullZip PDF printer has PDF as the default file format, so we don't have to change that. We will just specify the file location and the file name for this example. Click Save to export the file. Now go to the file location we specified before and open the file. And here is our single-page PDF floor plan. This concludes our tutorial on using the BullZip PDF utility with iScaf. If you want details on how to insert and scale the image in iScaf, just click the link at the end of the video or in the description.